disbursement, or gracious ladies, women reps demanding for their GAF money, or even governors, Honorable Speaker, demanding for money to be disbursed to the constituencies, to their counties, or even, Honorable Speaker, that money comes at a time when public debt is up or due for payment. And that money is in a consolidated fund. There is no way of distinguishing or creating a distinction between what money ought to go to the peacekeeping missions or that which should go to debt repayment. And you may find that this money may get into one pot in the consolidated fund and end up paying part of our debt. Others goes towards the settlement of our other national obligations, and leaving then our military officers in the state that I have just mentioned to operate with equipment that is almost obsolete. We leave them in a state where they are not doing capacity building. And basically, Honorable Speaker, you know, when our young men and women serving us in the military are out there in the bush fighting to restore peace in the areas where they have been given work to restore peace, Honorable Speaker, they serve under very strenuous and difficult conditions and in an environment where we should not be putting them under any strain or stress, even for their families back home. Honorable Speaker, it's therefore important to have these funds in a separate fund where, one, we can ensure that they are able to access this money as fast as they need it, if it is to buy equipment, if they need money to equip the officers, if they need money to feed the officers out in the field, they have readily available cash, and therefore it's important to have a separate fund, and I do support the establishment of this fund, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, in conclusion, Honorable Speaker, we have served, or rather our military has served in very many jurisdictions, from Bosnia to Somalia, and now in the region in DRC, Congo, and still a good number of them still in Somalia. And we are in a region, Honorable